In this video, we'll introduce you to the exciting world of coding and guide you through the essential steps to get started on your coding journey. Programming is the art of instructing computers to perform tasks through code written in various programming languages. While there are many programming languages to choose from, we recommend starting with beginner-friendly options like Python or JavaScript. To begin, access a reliable coding platform or integrated development environment, IDE, to write and run your code. Online resources and tutorials are readily available to help you understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental concepts of coding, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. Understanding these core principles forms the foundation of your coding skills. Coding is a problem-solving process. Challenge yourself with small coding projects, gradually increasing the complexity as you gain confidence. Engage with the coding community and collaborate with fellow learners. Join coding forums, attend workshops, and seek feedback from experienced programmers. Debugging is a vital skill in coding. Learn to identify and fix errors in your code to achieve desired outcomes. Strive to write efficient and organized code. Employ best practices, comment your code, and avoid duplicating unnecessary steps. Coding has diverse applications. From web development to app creation, data analysis, and robotics, explore various fields to find what interests you the most. Coding may be challenging at times, but stay patient and persistent. Embrace trial and error, as each attempt is an opportunity to learn and improve. And so, we conclude our beginner's guide to coding. With practice, determination, and a thirst for knowledge, you can embark on a fulfilling journey into the world of programming. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure into the art of coding. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on programming and tech. Don't forget to like and share this video with aspiring coders and beginners eager to explore the limitless possibilities of coding. Happy coding!